Hey theme lovers, if you watched my previous iOS 27 theme video, you probably remember one thing. It looked a lot like iOS 27, but this time things are little different. Instead of only focusing on the look, this theme offers a lot more customization to the overall experience. So let's check it out and see what makes this theme different. Let's start with the lock screen, because this is where the theme really starts to impress. At first glance, it already gives you a clean iPhone style look. But once you open the customization menu, that's when you will see what this theme can actually do. You can customize almost everything here. From different styles to the depth effect, it's really easy to make the lock screen your own. It also comes with its own collection of wallpapers, so you don't have to download anything extra. And once everything is set up, even moving the lock screen gives you that subtle glass effect around the edges, which looks really nice. Another thing I really liked is the music player. Just tap on it and it opens up with a really smooth animation that makes the whole experience feel even more premium. Now let's move to the home screen, and this is probably my favorite part of the entire setup. Just look at those icons. They are clean, colorful, and honestly they look so close to iOS that at first glance it's hard to tell the difference. Everything just fits together really well, and that's what makes this home screen look so good. One quick thing, the calendar and the photos widget you are seeing here isn't part of this theme. It's a third-party widget from my iOS setup, and I will show you exactly how to get it in the complete iOS setup video, coming very soon. Now let's pull down the control center, and this is where the theme really starts to feel like iOS. Right from the status bar to the control center, everything follows the same liquid glass design. The glass effect looks really clean, especially with a slightly blurred wallpaper in the background. Every toggle, sliders and panel just fits together really well. Even the notifications follows the same design, making the whole UI feel even more complete. And finally, let's open the settings menu. Honestly, this is the part that surprised me the most. The About Phone page has been completely redesigned, and it genuinely looks like something you had seen on an iPhone. Even the icons, menus, and the overall layout match really well, making the whole experience feel even more complete. That's it for today's theme. If you would like to try it on your own phone, you will find the backup file in the pinned comment. Just download it and install it using the backup and restore method. And if you don't know how to do that yet, I have already explained the complete process in my previous theme videos. Before you go, let me know in the comments which part of this theme was your favorite. If you enjoyed this theme, don't forget to leave a like. And if you love customizing your Xiaomi phone, make sure to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more Xiaomi themes and customizations videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep customizing.